seconds.
Hello, you're watching Dish Network. Did you know you're a satellite pirate?
What do I owe you?
$9.99 per month.
What do I owe you?
What do I owe you?
Nothing. It's for free. Free!
The receiver you're using has been modified to receive programming without payment to Dish Network. You may have already noticed that you are no longer receiving some of the following programming. Dish Network.
Walking around like you God's gift to earth.
Walking around like you
Robbie,
Walking around like you got Mercedes Benz and 24-inch rims, 5% tint, air conditioning, vent shit, the air conditioning, it's about same, no feelings, air conditioning, vent shit, the air conditioning, vent shit, the air conditioning, vent shit,